Go down to your materials tab, click new. So you're going to get a new material right here. If you want the gold, the original material that's made for the base here, you just go to this drop down and you'll be able to find it pretty much straight away. So this is what we currently have. And what we want to do, it looks a bit tacky to me. To be honest with you, I could add some surface modifications to that, add some scratches and stuff. So take this, Shift D to duplicate, and just bring it over the other side and make it as flush as you possibly can to those two sides. I mean, you could use a grid reference if you really wanted to. So you notice that this first one is just before this line. So then this first one should just be before this line. If you've kept everything flush to its original spawn point, you should be able to see everything in the mirror kind of effect. Right, so click this one, and then we're going to press Shift, and we're going to click our first one. Shift D to duplicate, leave it where it is. So now you've got two table legs that are over two table legs. What we want to do now is we want to rotate them. So if you press R for rotate, go straight up on the Z axis. Now if you press 90 on your keypad, so 90, it'll go like this. Now you'll notice one of the table legs is outside of the boundaries of where we'd like it to be. So we're going to delete that one. So just click to accept. Take this leg, press delete on your keyboard. And notice now that we have 3 legs. Now if you want to have more legs you can do, but I'm going to do like a little fancy design just on one of them. So Shift D, just bring that out slightly. And then, you know, I could just like pull some stuff in here. This is just a little design that I've just decided to do. Regards to that, so I'm just going to go Shift D. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but if you do want to do this, you're just duplicating things and really experimenting. So it's S to scale, just to bring it out a little bit. And just duplicate another one. Scale that one inwards. I'm just kind of making a little fancy pattern on the side. You know, and I don't like the way that this reflects. I don't like it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a plane at the bottom so that you guys can see some of the reflection that it has. So you see that it's very reflective. It's almost like mirror-like, but it's not quite sharp. I'd like it to be sharp. So you notice now that we've got a little bit of roughness going on, so that's why it's not as sharp. So if I turn the roughness down, it's going to go straight into a mirror. Let me see. I do want to put something on there. I'd like actually to put some scratches on there, or some Veroni texture. So Veroni texture would look real nice. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come back off the render tab right there. Let me see. I think I just made 3 vertices on there. Okay, so I'm just going to move this across so it's on that side. Now you'll notice that it's the wrong way around. So I'm just going to get it flush as I can. We're going to go R for rotate. Hit 180 on your number pad. And it should just turn straight around. And it should be just on the table. We do have a few gaps there. I'm just going to move those. I'm just going to mosey those on in. See what we got. It might be an issue for the other side as well. So you kind of got that fancy table look.